Don't. Hey! Don't cuss. Don't cuss. Alright, get back a little bit and take a run and start and leap. No, don't even think about it. That's out of the way, I can't move it. Okay, you're strong enough, I guess. Okay, that's good. Yup. Let's go.